Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I will tell you about my tutorial UX application. The tutorial application is Xplorer. Explorer is like if you know Traveloka, it's like that too. So now we're gonna remake this, but this is just the part one. Okay, maybe I'm gonna continue it for after I continue a card in and phone in and phone shop. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna make the default page first. You can take the frame iPhone 13 from 30 from X. Okay, now what is it? Okay, wait. Okay, now you can change the what's it the name? Oh yeah, the radius be 30. After that you can change the title be a default page, and after that you can click this and go to the plugin. The name of this plugin is Unsplash. Wait a minute, the plugin is still loading. Okay. Okay, now we can search Raja Ampat. Wait a minute. Okay, you can search it. Raja Ampat. We're gonna search the image just like this. That looks like this. Okay, this is the image, guys. Take it. The image from Rido Ibrahim. The image is okay. Now you can crop the image until this. Crop it. Wait, I will delete it first. So disturb me. It was maybe it was look like this. Oh, it's different, but it's okay. Okay, now use it first and then change the color be maybe 50. Wait, I wanna see first. 50. Okay, this is true. 50. Okay, wait. Okay, you can move it be on top, and after that we're gonna take use this. We're gonna make the text. Now you can go to text and click. Wait, before it, change the font be a quicksand. Oh wait, Xplorer. Roller. Is that true like this? Okay, that's true. Okay, I wanna see what's okay. The size is 2835. 28.55. Is that true? 35. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, you can wait. Now you can block the X, and then change the color via like this. This is the code of the color. You can copy it. Wait, that's wrong. I I supposed to be this. Okay, this. Okay, this one. Change it via bold. Wait, change it by quicksand. I forget. And then you can alt. Okay, change the size via 50, 15, and then change the text via this. Explore the beauty and charm, explore the and charm of Indonesia. Is there any typo? Okay, after that put it in here. Wait, I want to see first. 138. So make it be 138. After that, wait, what kind of font is that? Okay, still same. You can copy it. After that, change the text by discover the interest of Indonesian culture, and then press K, and then after that, wait. Okay, the size is 1733. 1733. And then the color is E5, E5, and E5. E5, E5, E5. Wait, I want to see the margin. How much the margin? Okay, there's 16. I can change it 6 by 16. Wait, I'm gonna fix my position first. And after that, uh, make the title name is sign in. Wait, I want to know what 18 and 9 bold. Okay, change it. 9. After that, make it in the center, and then press Shift A to make it be a, what's the name? Auto layout. Okay, the padding is 110. Okay, so we're gonna copy it to 110. Make it in the center too, and then after that, add the fill, and then change the color by this again. Okay, wait, I wanna see the what's it the name? Radius be a 5. Wait, After that we can copy this. Okay, now we're gonna change the font via plus Jakarta Sans, and then change the size. Where is the size? 1182, 1182, and then after that change the title, change the text via don't have any account, login. Don't have. Wait, login. And after that block this, block this word, and then make the variable font access. Go to the basic and put like this, and then the decoration is underline. Okay, we've done to make the default page. Now we're gonna make the menu page. Wait a minute before I'm lagging. Okay, now you can delete all of them, and then this image too, and then you can change the color via white. Wait, I want to fix my position first. After that we're gonna make like this. Okay, now let's make it. We can wait. Hi, Andrew. Oh wait, what's wrong with my typography? Okay, now it's done. Is that the true of the 1342? Okay, it's true. Then make the layout grid. Change the grid via column. The count is 3. And wait a minute. And the margin is 20. No, 30 maybe. Yes, 30. Okay, it's done. We're gonna check the color. AE. Change the color be this code, and then It's done. Okay, the size is 80.9 and the color is 0 or black. 18.9. Okay, change the text is where are you going? Are you going? After that, uh, we go to the box icon, and after that check the bell icon. Okay, now it's done. Okay, the frame, and click Shift A to make it be a auto layout. Okay, now we're gonna fill it. Okay, now uh okay, change it by 30 and now 10 maybe 10. Oh, 13. I'm sorry 13. Okay, now we're gonna make the okay, make it like this. Okay, give the stroke and then the color. The stroke is 3 maybe. Yes, 3. Wait. Okay, the 3, but and the radius is 10. After that, tag the box icon, search. Wait. Okay, it's done. Okay. Okay, change the size be like this, 25 and 25. And after that, search your location. Okay. Okay, now change your location and then change it via and then change the color via 42. Wait, this is the just the opacity is 42. Okay, the size is 80. Okay, now okay, maybe we're done in here. I gonna continue it after I make the cartoon UI UX application and font shop UI UX application. Okay, maybe okay. That's all for me. Thank ya. Dari tadi aku nge